Hi guys, my name is Allan Almeida and I'm going to do a stand-up comedy set. Don't worry, it's clean. I'm inspired by Josh. Yeah, so I would like to give you a bit of background of me. So I'm an engineer, ठीक है? तो as in following engineer's tradition, मैं दूसरों का जॉब छीनना चाहता हूँ, इसके लिए मैं stand-up कर रहा हूँ. मतलब इंजीनियर तुम्हारा जॉब जीपीटी से पहले छीन सकते हो, तो watch out for engineer. Sorry. Yeah. So anyway, so let's make it a bit of interactive. So how many of you guys have been in a relationship? Imagine. How many of you all have imagined being in a relationship? वही नहीं कर रहे क्या मतलब?
जो ऑलरेडी है कई सालों से उनका क्या?
आपका शादी हो गया?
स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखा, sorry. So I was also in a relationship. Any of you want to get what's the next step after a relationship? No good, Puchro.
Fight.
No, you break up and become ex.
Okay.
So now being in an ex is very awkward phase, and then I heard the 6 words that you should never say to your ex. But can we still remain friends? So that's what you don't want to say to your ex, and she told me. Then I was कि ऑलरेडी मेरा मेंटल पीस का तुम गर्लफ्रेंड बन के वाट लगा सकती हो, अभी वापस से मेरे को फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनना. तो या एनीवे, सो बट हाँ ब्रेकअप बेसिकली आप ब्रेकअप हैड हैपेंड ड्यू टू weird reason. So any of you all like have had breakups or something like that? What's the reason? What's the main reason of breakup according to you? हाँ yes.
Wow.
What's the main reason of breakups according to you?
संस्कार बोलो. Main reason for breakup.
Misunderstanding.
हाँ तुम्हारा एक example ले.
So, but my breakup happened due to a very odd reason. She was like, you breathe too hard. And I was like, मेरे को अस्थमा है, ठीक है. And I was like, मेरे को अस्थमा है, ठीक है. The whole reason of me having this disease is that I can't breathe too hard. ठीक है, it's like telling a disabled person who does not have amputated legs or something that you run too fast. ठीक है, but then anyway, so but even our words were not consistent with the actions. She was like, it will take a lot for me to move on because I'll meet another guy in Hinge. तो जिसको पता नहीं Hinge क्या है, वो basically अभी लोगों का बम्बल है, ठीक है. उसमें मतलब बम्बल पे बेसिकली लड़कियों का 100 ऑप्शन देते हैं, तो तुम लेफ्ट साइड हो जाओगे. पर Hinge पे तुम्हारे पास एक whatever magic है, you can comment on someone's profile, ठीक है. So you get 10 such comments. So I tell you a trick, ठीक है. फ्री में बता रहा हूँ, यूज करना, ठीक है. So what you can do is you have to write the most controversial thing, ठीक है. मतलब ऐसा लिखो कि सामने वाला लिख के शॉक हो जाए क्या लिखा. So now I'll give you an example, ठीक है. I saw one profile and this girl I think so was from Delhi because she basically had written, let's debate, and down she had written, Delhi is better than Mumbai. I mean we can all agree Mumbai is better than Delhi, ठीक है. तो दिल्ली से है जरूर से. अच्छा ठीक है. रोज करने वाला सर्विस के लिए. So so I had written, sure if you want to live only during daylight in a gas chamber. So that's what happened. But one thing I think about my breakups is I don't know why मेरा glow up नहीं हो रहा, पर whoever was my partner उसका downfall जरूर हो रहा है breakup के बाद. So फिर you get happy, ठीक है. मैं admit करना नहीं चाह रहा, but ठीक है, you are not very good, ठीक है. So ऐसे you get happy, but then after some point you get a bit concerned कि ठीक है ना, मतलब कुछ हो तो नहीं जाएगा ना ऐसे. So she also posting normally depressed people stories की what happens, what is the meaning of life. I wish people had trailers, and I was like I should talk to her maybe because obviously you're concerned. I mean breakup ठीक है, but you're concerned about the person. So I did talk to her and she was like, Allan, I was happy when we were in a relationship. So should we get back together? I was like no, but we can still be friends.